Standard 6th, Subject Geography, Lesson number 6, Importance of Ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world. Today we will learn about these oceans. We have studied the lithosphere means land and hydrosphere means water of the earth. The proportion of land and water on the earth and also the major oceans. Here in the table we are with 5 oceans of the world and their area in the square kilometers. The hydrosphere includes all the water bodies that exist on the earth. Of all the total global water, 97.7% is contained in oceans. Ocean, seas, rivers and their tributaries, lakes, reservoirs and also groundwater mixes with the ocean. Here we are with the example. Take some water in a steel dish. It is better if we take the water from a bore well. Keep the water in direct sunlight. Do not remove the dish until all the water gets evaporated. Observe the dish after the water has evaporated completely. What do you see? Taste the substance in the dish. You will notice that after the water evaporated completely, a whitish layer is left in the dish. If you taste it, you will find that it is salty. You will realize that these are the salts in the water. In drinking water, the proportion of salts is quite low. Water from oceans and seas has a greater amount of salt, hence it tastes salty. Here are the few questions. Where does the water flowing through the rivers go in the end? The water flowing through the rivers goes in the seas and oceans in the end. Are there volcanic eruptions in the seas? There are volcanic eruptions in the seas. Volcanic eruptions occurs on land. Similar volcanic eruption takes place in the ocean as well. This increases the level of salts and minerals in the ocean water. Due to volcanic eruption, different minerals, ashes, salts and gases are added to the water. This increases the level of salts and minerals in the ocean water. From microscopic planktons to huge whales, different types of living things are found in the ocean. Once they die, their remains accumulate in the oceans. Sediments from eroded lands, trees and bushes flowing with the water. All rivers flowing from mountains or hilly areas finally meet the ocean. Dead remains, etc., enter the ocean with this river water, releasing various minerals and salts in the ocean water. The salinity of ocean water is different at different places. The salinity is expressed in terms of mils, particles per thousand. Due to continuous evaporation of oceanic water, the proportion of salts increases. All these things make the ocean water salty. The Dead Sea is known to have the maximum salinity. Its salinity is 332%. The average salinity of oceanic water is 35%. We depend on ocean to some extent for minerals. Salt as a substance is obtained